Hi guys, looking for a strong and simple way to organize your or garage or workspace? This 3-tier metal shelf from SDXASE might be exactly what you need. It's built from solid metal and supports up to 40 pounds in total. That's heavy duty strength for tools, tires, bins and more. Each shelf is weighed 14 inches long, 18 inches deep, and you can adjust the height to fit your needs. It's great not just for garage but also for the basement, kitchen or storage room. What I really like is how easy it's to set up. No complicated tools, just an intriguing design that clicks together. The black powder coat finish looks clean and modern, and it holds up well over time. So you've used it for storing everything from car parts to cleaning supplies, and it's help up you great. If you need something strong, simple and useful, this is garage shelf does job well.